Hi, I'm Bill Zittel, president here at Lyco Manufacturing. We have more than 50 years of experience and are the recognized leader in continuous dry bean hydrating and cooking solutions. Whether it's navy, pinto, kidney, garbanzo, lima, baby reds, black beans, black-eyed peas, or Great Northern, Lyco has the ideal solution for continuous hydrating from a dry state of 9 to 13% moisture to as high as 55 to 58% moisture and even over 60% for par cooking. Behind me, we are shipping another set of 72-inch by 24-foot blanchers, which continuously handle 12 to 14,000 pounds per hour of dry beans. Lyco now has over 60 lines throughout the dry bean industry. Depending upon your finished product, these systems are ideal for canned sauce beans, brine beans, refried beans, IQF beans, soup mixes, or for salad bars. Let Lyco help you develop the right processing solution for you. So if you have any dry bean processing equipment needs, let our Lyco experts help. Please call us at 920-623-4152 and ask for a sales representative, or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.